పదానికి పర్యాయ పదం ఏంటి అని అంటే మనోజ్ కుమార్. ఎంత చక్కగా ఆయన ఆయన బాధ్యతలు నిర్వహించారు అని అంటే ఒక పర్ఫెక్ట్ ప్లానర్, చార్టర్డ్ అకౌంటెంట్. ఆయన వాళ్ళని అసలు నేనేమంటానంటే చార్టర్డ్ అకౌంటెంట్స్ ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్లీ మేడ్, their brains are differently made and the mechanism is something superior than an ordinary human being. So the speciality of the Manoj Kumar Purohit garu, he has used in executing his duty and responsibility as district governor so excellently well. And like Manoj Kumar Purohit hails from the most prestigious Raj Purohit family, their forefathers being Raj Purohit of various kingdoms of Kanauj in UP to Jodhpur in Rajasthan. రాచరికము రాచరిక రక్త ప్రవహించడం అని అంటే వాళ్ళ పాలనా విధానం వాళ్ళ రక్తంలోనే ఉంది. See, and author of 2 highly successful and internationally acclaimed publications, Steps to Success and The Key to Success for Club Leaders. What a wonderful author he is. Creativity and giving an ideas, he's a superior in that. And his executive committee member of Lions Heart and Eye Foundation, trustee to Lions Oncology Block at NIMS. Lion Purohit is a life member of Lions Club International and is also a progressive Melvin Jones Fellow. Hopefully to see you as Ambassador of Goodwill in future. Lion Purohit has proved to be one of the most important assets and, as I said, a successful district governor. And time and again he stood up whenever the performance were measured, and every successive year his performance excelled and brought him recognition and appreciation from district, multiple and international. That includes 6 times International President Appreciation Certificate, an International Leadership Medal, International President's Gold Medal, International President's Plate for top 3 membership growth in the world. Let's put our hands together. This is no joke. Knight of the Blind Medallion, Line of the Year in entire South India, multiple, and Vishwa Seva Ratna Award. Just to give a glimpse to the tip of the iceberg of the awards what he has achieved year by year with his wonderful wife like Vijayalakshmi Raj Purohit, and couple are blessed with a son like Ishan Raj Purohit, and a daughter-in-law Lalita Soumya, and they are beautifully, blessed with grandson Ajay Raj Purohit. Maybe the number added, let him clarify. I probably present like Manoj Kumar Purohit.
Thank you very much, Lion Vijayalakshmi. And incidentally, my wife's name is also Vijayalakshmi. For those wonderful words you have spoken about me. And you said something about Ambassador of Goodwill. वो तो बहुत बड़ी बात है. Let me remain as Ambassador of Lions. A wonderful dedicated president, Lion Metla Jagan Mohan, who has led this club during the pandemic year to wonderful, great heights. Our worthy district governor, who has started his innings so fast as an opening batsman. It's wonderful, like Krishnamacharya Shrikant, Virat Kohli, yeah. And within few days, he has created a lot of good records, lot of good innovative programs. A wonderful friend and a dedicated Lion, our first Vice District Governor, Lion Juluri Raghu, today's induction officer, Region Chairperson Lion M. Chandrasekhar, Lion Jila Ravindar, the club secretary, Program Chairperson and co-chairperson Lion Buchaya Nagaraj, Master of Ceremony Lion Vijay Lakshmi, Lion Noli Srinivas, Lion K Srinivas, Lion K Sunil Bhai. Wonderful members of this club, Lion Venugopal, Lion Sunil Kumar, Lion Buchaya, Lion Praveen, Lion Madhusudan, Lion Somshekhar. Visiting lions, Lion Gopalji Moore, Lion Jagnani, Lion Surya Prakash, Lion P.R.K. Nagaraju, Lion Chari, Lion C.S. Satyanarayana Rao, Rao Bolo sir, no confusion. Then Lion Kacham Satyanarayana, Lion D. Koteshwar Rao, Lion Ramana, Lion Bandari, Lion P.S.N. Raju, Lion Prabhakar. It's wonderful to see so many different clubs being represented today at this wonderful ceremony, wherein we'll be having installation of 2 Lions clubs and 1 Leo club. Let me first congratulate the wonderful team led by our dedicated, systematic President Lion Metla Jagan Mohan. They gave us 2 wonderful clubs during this particular year. One is Bharat and another is our Kacham Satyanarayana club, Satyam. They gave a Leo club. They gave an MJF. And then they organized a wonderful new members academy led by our wonderful new members academy chairperson and my close friend. And also they organized the wonderful relieving the hunger program. They gave 1 oxygen concentrated to our Hyderabad club permanent project, emergency service center. And when MLA Cancer Hospital wanted some machine, I made an appeal in the group, and within 1 or 2 minutes, Lion Raghu said, yes, we are doing that. So such kind of wonderful leaders they have, and they have been doing such good work during this particular year that I was very lucky to have these leaders assisting and helping me during this pandemic year, where we would be otherwise challenged to do at least retain what speed we have, but then we could excel a lot, and a chronology was also given by Lion Raghu regarding the achievements during this particular year, and I don't want to bore you by reciting them. Friends, बेखबरी में हम चले जा रहे थे यूं ही, बेखबरी में हम चले जा रहे थे यूं ही, एक तरफ शमशान थे, एक तरफ बियाबान थे, पैर के नीचे से चटक एक हड्डी बोली, चलने वाले संभल के चलो, हम भी कभी इंसान थे। कहीं पे हिंदू बनते हैं, कहीं पे मुसलमान बनते हैं, कहीं पे हिंदू बनते हैं, कहीं पे मुसलमान बनते हैं, लाइनिज्म में आके देख बंदे, यहाँ पर इंसान इंसान बनते हैं। This is a platform where we live for humanity, we serve humanity, we think for humanity, and we make people better human beings. And that is what Lionism is. And to make a better human being, one needs a heart. One doesn't have to be a billionaire to donate or do something good. There was an example, and it was a real life example, when one person was at a bus stand and a girl came and said, why don't you purchase these pens? बाबूजी 5 रुपए 10 रुपए का एक पेन है, 1-2 पेन खरीद दीजिए. They said, I don't need those pens. आप नहीं लोगे तो हम खाना कैसे खाएंगे? This fellow said, अच्छा ठीक है, खाना खाने के लिए पेन खरीदने की जरूरत नहीं. I have 2 packets of biscuits, लो, तुम्हारा भाई भी है, तुम दोनों ये लेकर के खा लो. And that girl returned 1 packet. She said, हम दोनों भाई बहन एक पैकेट में शेयर कर लेंगे. He said, नहीं रहने दो ना, आप क्या खाओगे सर? दो लेने के बाद में भी she was thinking of the person who was giving to her कि हम दो खा लेंगे तो आप क्या खाओगे? So that doesn't come with money. These kind of thoughts come with only purity of heart. Only when you start thinking of someone else equal to you, whether he is a giver or taker, both are equal. It's only nimitta matram bhavsa pesachin. God wants to do something good, and for every damn thing He will not take avatar. He selects people to do something good, and when He selects people to do something good, these are the kind of platforms He creates. So when we had a creation of Lions Club of Satyam or Lions Club of Bharat, it's not the will of human being, it's will of the God. Okay, He wanted that some institution should be created which will further the purpose which I want people to live for. So nimitta matram bhav sahasra visachin, that is what God said in Gita, कि आप निमित्त बन जाओ, and I will see that some good works are being done through you. Everest, there is nothing higher than Everest. But then what was crores of years back, where today we have Everest, it was sea, samudra tha. It is only when the Indian plateau collided with the Eurasian plateau and pushed it up, the Everest and Himalayas were formed. And that is why Everest is name given by someone. Actually, its name should never have been Everest. Its original Sanskrit name is Sagar Matha. Because there was a Sagar and then it rose, Matha is head. Then from the Sagar, the head rose, that is why the topmost peak was called Sagar Matha. And Everest, George Everest was only Surveyor General of India, and he had a person, he was a Bengali person, who measured the actual height of Everest and said this is the largest peak. But then because he was the Surveyor General of India and told to the entire world that Everest is the largest peak and its height is this and I measured it, people started calling it. But then this is a club which has risen in its true capacity by doing a lot of good works all these years. Most of the club members have been very active every year. They take a responsibility at the district level. For example, like Raghu, he has been taking care of lots of events like teachers honoring or our senior citizens program, which is a very big program we organize every year. So I compliment the club for having such wonderful lions who are taking care of our district apart from running this club. To Bharat, Deshamante Matti Kadu Deshamante Manushyulu. That is what a great poet from this land said. But then, how do we say we are Bharati or Bharat? हम भारत के रहने वाले कैसे हैं? Unless we have Bharat inside us, we cannot call ourselves as Indians. We live in Bharat, but when Bharat lives in our heart, then only we become the true Indians. And Bharat has been named after a king who was in his childhood started counting, learning counting by putting hand into lion's mouth and counting its teeth. शकुंतला का बेटा जब वो जंगल में था, when Dushyant was not Dushyant married and left that place, and Shakuntala's son was at a jungle in a Rishi's place, and then he used to play with lions, and he used to count the teeth of lions, and that's how he learned counting. So that kind of courage, that kind of commitment to the nation this club should have. India has never invaded any other country. We have never invaded any other country. But then one may ask, if Indians have never invaded any country, why are there temples in Southeast Asia? वो temple कहाँ से बन गए? I will tell you. One person who went to Cambodia and his name was Shairaz Kondilia. And when he went there, along with his people, the local people, along with their Rani, that's the princess, they said these people have come to conquer us. So they came to fight these persons. And then when they came to fight these persons, what this Kaudinya saw was they were totally naked. They never had any clothes on them. They never knew what clothes are. So this Kaudinya, with an arrow, he threw a sari, a cloth, towards that lady, and she didn't know what to do with that. Then by Isharo se bataya ki kindly wrap yourself into this, and then she wrapped herself into this, and they realized that Indians have not come here to conquer ourselves, but to bring civilization to these lands. And that is what we did. And those civilization, when we went there, the largest Hindu temple on earth is Angkor Wat, which is in Cambodia. That was built by these people, the local people. We took archaeology with us, we took creation with us. So that is the thing we always have as our this thing. For example, our Panchangam, even NASA says कि फलाना दिन at a given time there will be sun eclipse or there will be lunar eclipse, and our Jatakam Panchangam gives the same time. They don't have binocular, they don't have anything, but it's only the mathematical calculation and exact calculations which we give. So I am so happy that we could name this club as Lions Club of Hyderabad, Bharat. Bharat is in our blood, and definitely I hope this club will take care of its responsibilities and see that we are living up to the ethics, the practices which makes us Indians. So with this short message, I would go to my job which has been given to me to install the new board of directors of Everest Club, Leo Club of Everest, and the first board of Lions Club of Bharat. Of course, yes, we could have done this some months back, but then we were planning things, and then there was second wave, and it has become very difficult for us to organize these events, and particularly charter presentation has to be done physically.